We all love a good snack, right? Whether it's a quick bite between meals or something to munch on during a movie, snacks are a part of our daily lives. But not all snacks are created equal. It's easy to reach for the wrong ones when that hunger hits between meals. Those convenient, pre-packaged snacks might seem like a good idea, but they can often be detrimental to our health. Today, I'm here to help you uncover some common snack choices that could be sabotaging your health goals. We'll also explore some tasty and nutritious alternatives that you can enjoy without guilt. Let's dive into the sneaky snacks to avoid and discover some delicious, healthy alternatives. Making small changes can have a big impact on your overall well-being. First up, those tempting Cheetos. They're a popular choice for their crunch and flavor. Sure, they're crunchy and flavorful, but they're loaded with unhealthy fats and artificial colors. These ingredients can contribute to long-term health issues if consumed regularly. They won't fill you up and are doing your body no favors. You might find yourself feeling hungry again soon after eating them. Instead, opt for air-popped popcorn. It's a much healthier option that still satisfies that craving for something crunchy. It's light, crunchy, and much better for you. Plus, you can add your own seasonings to make it even more delicious. Next on the list, sugary cereal bars. They're often marketed as a healthy snack, but don't be fooled. They might seem like a quick fix, but they're often packed with sugar and artificial additives. These can lead to energy spikes and crashes, leaving you feeling worse than before. Swap them out for a handful of almonds. Almonds are a great source of protein and healthy fats. Almonds are rich in protein and healthy fats to keep you satisfied and energized. They're also easy to carry around for a quick snack on the go. How about those frosted donuts? Delicious? Absolutely. But they come with a heavy price. They're a sugar bomb waiting to happen, leading to energy crashes and weight gain. The temporary pleasure isn't worth the long-term consequences. A better option? Fresh fruit slices. They're naturally sweet and satisfying. They're naturally sweet, full of vitamins, and will keep your energy levels stable. Plus, they're hydrating and refreshing. Potato chips. Who doesn't love them? They're a classic snack choice, especially during TV time, but they're high in unhealthy fats and sodium. These can contribute to high blood pressure and other health issues. Try veggie sticks with hummus. This combination is not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients. This combo is crunchy, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. It's a great way to get your veggies in while enjoying a satisfying snack. Craving something sweet like candy bars? They're a quick go-to for many people. They might give you a quick sugar rush, but they're low in nutritional value. The high sugar content can lead to energy crashes and cravings for more sweets. Dark chocolate with nuts can be a great alternative. It's a healthier way to satisfy your sweet tooth. It's satisfying and provides antioxidants and healthy fats. Lastly, flavored yogurt. It's often marketed as a healthy option. It sounds healthy, but many are loaded with added sugars. These can negate the benefits of the yogurt itself. Go for plain Greek yogurt with fresh berries. This combination is both delicious and nutritious. It's packed with protein and vitamins without the unnecessary sugars. You get the natural sweetness from the berries and the creaminess from the yogurt. Remember, snacking doesn't have to be a diet disaster. With a little planning, you can enjoy snacks that are both tasty and good for you. By making smart choices, you can fuel your body with nutritious and delicious snacks that support your health goals. It's all about balance and making informed decisions. What are your favorite healthy snacks? We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let's share some inspiration. Your ideas might help someone else make a healthier choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Together, we can make healthier choices and feel our best every day.